Well, good morning and another TGIF, my fellow YouTubers. I hope everybody's week has been awesome, and I hope you have a fantastic Friday to finish out your week. Hopefully it's nice and sunny and beautiful like it is here today. Well, one of the last things I wanted to talk about before I get into my next kind of how-tos is getting the advanced features enabled in your YouTube account. And these features enable certain advanced functions like being able to put hyperlinks in your description where it's clickable and a few other things. And there's a couple like verification processes you have to go through. One of them requires you just to verify a phone number. So you put your phone number in and it sends you a text message and it verifies your phone number. And again, this is all about just verifying identity. And then there's an advanced section. You can submit an ID and it will authenticate you as the actual owner of the channel, which again is just about verifying who you are. And it might seem a little intimidating, and like, I don't want to send my driver's license to Google or, whatnot, but I think there's a way you can validate it based on having so many videos and published, but it takes a little bit of time. So if you want to get that advanced validation done right away, I highly recommend that you just go ahead and do the ID verification process. It's real simple. Once you're in your advanced settings in your YouTube account, you'll click it and it'll send you an email, or you can scan a QR code on the computer. It opens up your phone. It asks you a few questions. You take a picture of yourself, and you also take a picture of your driver's license and submit that. And then it's actually reviewed by somebody to validate, yes, this is an actual human being. They just want to make sure that these accounts are not being created by some bots or whatever the case may be. I think it's a really good validation method. And then after a period of time, they delete your ID from the database. And how you get to these advanced features is when you're in your YouTube account on a computer. You can do it from a mobile. I'm not sure of the steps on the mobile because I've never done it on mobile. I've always done it through the computer. I can find that out and I'll post it in the description as to how you do it on mobile. But on the computer, when you're signed into your YouTube account, go to settings and then click on your channel, and there's a section called feature eligibility, and you have intermittent and advanced. And the intermittent is where you validate your phone number, and the advanced is where you validate your actual photo identification. So in order to do affiliate marketing with the hyperlinks to products, you have to have the advanced features enabled. Otherwise, you can't do hyperlinking. And again, it's about just protecting the account. It's about, protecting, the community, because you don't want somebody to be able to, validate a malicious account and, link to a, malicious site. Not that somebody can't do that anyways, because obviously somebody can validate themselves and still be malicious, but I think they do a good job of trying to make sure and protect not only your account, but really the YouTube ecosystem. So I think it's a good idea. So I highly recommend you do that. But really, once you get that step done, you're ready just to start doing whatever kind of affiliate marketing you want, linking to whatever products you want to. I would hope by now you would have gone through and completed your Amazon Associates application. That way you can start linking to whatever products are relative to your videos and your niche. And that way you don't necessarily have to be monetized in order to make money, which is, a lot of times one of the goals of what people start YouTube channels for. It's because they want to earn a little bit of side hustle with, affiliate marketing and AdSense. I highly recommend you do it. It's very easy, very simple. And then once all that's done, then you can just focus on your process of creating videos and how you're going to do that. And again, I can help if you want me to help. Don't forget to click the link in the description to grab your how to find your niche PDF. That also gives you kind of the top 5 niches that are trending on YouTube, because that'll really kind of help guide you through, determining, what niche maybe you want to be a part of. Whatever your content fits into, I should say. It's a real simple guide, and you just fill out your email address, authenticate that yes, you signed up, and it'll automatically send you the PDF. I have another PDF that I'm going to be publishing soon, and it is a little more in-depth into the process, and you'll definitely want to get your email address in there, because as soon as I get that published, I'll automatically send it out to those who have already subscribed. And just FYI, today is going to be my last morning motivation video for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. We're going on vacation. We are leaving on Tuesday, but Monday, I don't think I'm going to have the opportunity to record a video. So if I get a chance while I'm on vacation, if I have some downtime, maybe I might throw a video up from beach in Barbados. So yeah, we're going to Barbados for a little while. Can't wait, super excited, and do a little relaxing, a little R&R. If you have any questions or comments or ideas or suggestions, hit me up in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to get back to you. If I can, again, have some downtime, I'll respond while I'm on vacation. But I hope everybody's finding these videos helpful. It seems to be. I've been getting a lot of positive comments and feedback, and I really appreciate that. So thank you guys so much for your engagement. Don't forget to hit that like and the subscribe. That thumbs up does a great job in telling the old YouTube algorithm that you enjoy my content. So I would appreciate a thumbs up on the video. And I really appreciate everybody that has engaged and asked questions and made comments. It's been a lot of fun engaging with you guys. So on that note, I hope everybody has a fantastic Friday. Don't forget, grab that camera, hit that record button, and crush it. And we will see you when I get back from vacation. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend.